Find your dream home? Great. Now let's make sure you actually get to move into it. Here are the 10 things you must not do once you're in escrow. Because trust me, one wrong move can cost you the entire deal. I'm Quinton Place with Lionheart Realty, brokered by eXp Realty. After years in business, I've seen too many buyers make simple mistakes that blew up at their closing. Don't let it be you. Here are the top 10 things not to do in escrow. Do not change jobs or become self-employed. Lenders do not like surprises. Number 2, don't buy a new car, truck, or van. You might end up sleeping in it. Don't use credit cards or miss any payments. Even small stuff matters. Don't touch your closing funds. That money is off limits. Don't leave out debts or liabilities on your loan app. Full transparency matters. Don't buy furniture, even if the payment starts after closing. Don't allow new credit inquiries unless it's for insurance. Don't make large deposits or withdrawals without checking with your lender. Don't switch bank accounts. It complicates everything. Don't co-sign on anything. That debt becomes your problem too. These tips help protect your approval and make sure nothing derails your closing. Got questions? Reach out to me or someone on my team. We'll walk through each step so nothing gets missed. I'm Quinton Place with Lionheart Realty. Cheers.